sound, power. Carry the message hour by hour. Teach the youths them truth and love. Guided by the spirit from above.